ma'am.
Look at this. What was given? One bus can carry how many passengers in one day? One day, one bus can carry how many passengers? 48 passengers. Yes, to?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. So in one day, understood? That means it is written one day or one round. Acha, in one round, okay? In one round, okay? Suppose the
Yes,
car
ma'am.
is, the bus is going from your home to the school. Okay, in one round it can carry 48 students. Understood? Now, suppose it is making 2 rounds. Then how many students it can carry? Multiplied by 2, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All the students shake your head. Ankita understood? Okay. Now if it is making 3 rounds, then multiplied by 3, 4 rounds multiplied by 4. Now in the question it is given, how many passengers will it carry in 315 round? So definitely 48 multiplied by 315. Yes or no? Yes, so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means, but in case of multiplication, what will we do? First, take this bigger one number, 3-digit number, then by 48. It will take less time, okay? In the rough portion when you are multiplying. Okay, now clear to number 9?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you? Those who have problem in 9 and 10? Okay. Now, Raisa, understood though? Okay, all of you open that page 53, more to do part. More to do part. In more to do part, question number 1, all the questions done up to I. Today I'll explain question number 2, okay?
And question number 2 is true, false.
True or false? First one, question number A. The product of all of you, this one you have to do in copy, because not only true false you will write and that one will not be done, huh? You have to give the explanation, write the explanation. Otherwise, when at the time of exam you are going to practice, na, then you will forget the explanation. Then again you will face problem how this one is true. Understood though? That's why you have to write the explanation, okay? So question number 2A, the explanation, the product of 192 and 156 is, it is given 192 and 156, their product. This one is given 29,925. So this one will be true or false? What? True or Raisa? True. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. No, it is not true. Why? Vahiya, false though. Yes, why? Just look at the unit place. Unit place is 2 and it is 6. No need to even multiply the whole thing. No need to do this, huh? Just do this, take the unit place digit. Look, it is 2, it is 6 though. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 2 carry 1. In this way we are multiplying. Now look at this. Definitely here we have got 2. Then at the end of the answer, the last digit, the unit place digit will be 2 though. Yes or no? Shubhangi? Shirin? So that means here the unit place digit is given what? 5, na? So definitely this will be the wrong one. This is not true. Got it? Nusaiba, understood or not? Shornakshi? Acha, okay. Paushali? Now the question number 2A. Just write the explanation that 192 into 156 though. This one, circle this 2 and last digit will be there is 12, so 2. But here last digit is 5. 29,925. So it is false. No need to do the multiplication over there, huh? Got it? So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now number B I am explaining. First one is false. Now the next one.
Ma'am, I have written F instead of false.
Okay, no issue. Acha, number B, in 264 into 35. In this one, 35 is the product. It is given. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
No, Sushnata, you are not going to say. Ashia? True or false? Look, this one is called multiplicand, na? This one multiplier is equal to what the answer we are getting. That one is known as product. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. So here 35 is the product or multiplier.
Ma'am, multiplier.
So 35 is not the product, but it is written 35 is the product. So it will be false. Done? Are you writing the explanation in the copy? Ashif Molla. Are you writing the explanation? Afrina?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
I am writing.
Oishani Ovipsha? Keep your camera on. Farhan Malik, Oishani, Sheikh Aran. Acha, okay. Pratibha, understood to beta? Okay, good. Now I'm explaining the third one and fourth one. To see. Look at this. 25 into Acha, 125. 125 into 45 into 130. That one is equal to given 125 into 45 in bracket into 130. Look. What is the difference between them? Acha, this one is 130, huh? The 0 is here. Acha, okay, look. What is the difference between them? Basically, this is associative property of multiplication, na? Yes or no? Shifathak, Trisha, associative property of multiplication. Here last two is in bracket. Here first two is in bracket. Ultimately, these are same. I explained, na? A into B into C is equal to B and C is in bracket. Here AB will be in bracket. A into B into C. So it will be true. Number C. Now number D. Number D, acha, this one associative property. Just write over there, huh? Associative property of multiplication. Of multiplication. Write this one. Done? Ashmit? Okay, no need to show me the copy. Okay, I'll check the copy later. Okay, now let me start number D. Sheikh Mohammed Sahim, done to? Okay. Number D, 2D. Okay. It is given 14 into 21 plus 97 is equal to, in bracket, 14 into 21 plus 14 into 97. True or false? Acha, the name I'll call only C or E. Shake Intekab. Is it true or false? Say yes or no. Shake your head if it is yes. And if no, it is not true. You are saying, okay? Acha, yes. Acha, yes, good. That means, Raisa, look at this very carefully, huh? Look, basically 14 into this plus this. This is distributive law of multiplication over addition. Na? Now you can remember. Mausha, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Just write this one. Sushnata, you can remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, the rule was A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. In both the number, we have to multiply A into B plus A into C, right? Achha, no need to write this one, huh? Only write up to this.
Ma'am, it will be true. True.
It will be true, yes. 3. Sorry, true. Now number E. I'll explain number E. All of you completed this one? Okay. I think now the recording is going. Okay, now look at this. Number E I am explaining. It is given if there are 194 pencils. How many pencils? 194 pencils in one pencil box. In one box. Okay. Then there are 16,102 pencils in 83 such pencil box. Have you understood the meaning of the question?
No, ma'am.
Pratibha? No, acha, it is given. Look, acha, sorry, it is given in one box can carry 194 pencil box. Understood the first statement? Understood too? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratibha, not clear. Acha, Pratibha, in the first statement it is given there are 194 pencils in one box. That means what? In one box there are 194 pencils too. Now understood? Only the statement I have told. Okay. Acha, now it is given, then there are 16,102 these pencils in 83 boxes. Look at this very carefully. Acha, one box can carry how many pencils? 194. Yes. So we have to find how many pencils are there in 83 boxes. That means 194 into 83. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear. Mousim? Pratibha, now it is clear too. Just multiply this and check whether the answer is coming this one or not. Enakshi, Raisa, Ananna, understood? Okay, good. Now multiply this and check whether if the answer is matching with this, then it is true. If not matching, then it is false. Understood? Now let me do the multiplication. Even you can do it yourself. The multiplication. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 9 3s are 27 plus this one, 28, carry 2. 3 1 is 3 plus this 2. 5. Okay. Now this 0 will be there. 8 4s are 32. Carry 3. 8 9s are 72 plus this 3, 75. Okay, carry 7. Okay. 8 1 is 8 plus this 7. 15. Okay. Now check whether the answer is matching or not. Look, 2, 8 plus 2, 0, carry 1, this one 11, carry 1, 6, 1. Yes, so it is matching.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 2. Yes, so.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha, Ashmit, Shifat, understood?
Yes, ma'am. I have written.
Okay. Okay, then write T. 2. Okay. Now F and G is left. Let me explain number F. This one completed, so I'll erase the board.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Acha Trisha, sit properly, beta. Sit properly. Trisha, ha, yes, good. Acha, okay, now let me explain number F. At first, let me read. In a theater, there are 148 seats. Okay, in a theater or movie where you want to see the movie. Okay, that theater. Basically, right now in present, at present we know the name is cinema hall, right? Before many years, it was known as theater. Okay. Acha, in a theater, there are 148 seats. How many seats are there? 148 in one theater. Okay. Now total number of seats in 549 theaters are, the answer is given. Look, in one theater, how many seats are there? 148. So number of theaters is given how many? 549. We have to multiply this with this one. We have to find the number of seats. Yes, Tom? Yes or no? No, Ras? Paushali? Okay, good. So we have to just multiply it. And here the answer is given. We have to check whether that answer is matching or not. If it is matching, then it is correct, true. If not,
Please tell the ma'am. Please tell that book's answer where it is written.
81, I have already written. Look, 81,225. Acha, now it will be true or false. Acha, by just multiply unit place digit. No need to multiply the whole number. Look, 8 9s are what? 8 9s are 72, na? So definitely here unit place will be 2, na? Here we have to put 0 0 in this way. Unit place will be 2. But here it is 5. I am explaining again. Look, just multiply the unit place digit. 8 and 9. 8 partially not understood. Okay, I am explaining again. Look at the board. Look at the board. First one, this one understood. In one theater, 148 seats are there. Then in 549 theater, how many seats will be there? Multiplication, this one understood too. Okay, now the answer is given in the book. Look, in 549 theater, there are 81,225 seats. So we have to check whether this one is correct or not. Yes, no? How to check? 149. Acha, 148, na? Yes. 148 into 549. Partially, we have to multiply them. Then only we'll get the answer. So, yes or no? Trisha? Yes? Okay. Now multiply this. Just take the unit place. Here unit place is 8. Here it is 9. So, now 8 9s are 72. We have to put 2 here, 7 over there. In this way, we have to continue. So, yes or no? Ha, but it will be false because here it is 5, na, unit place. Yes or no? So no need to do the multiplication. All of you understood now? Nouraz, Asim Mullah, Shornakshi, Anushka Mandal, Anubhav, understood to? Vahiya? Okay, good. Now, so this one will be false. Now it is number F, false. Number G, look at this. The product of place value of 7 and the face value of 9 in the number is given 21,739. Acha, face value means you know to? Face value means that digit itself. Only that digit. Suppose face value of 1, it will be only 1. Face value of 3, it will be only 3. Understood too? All of you, Oishani, Ovipsha, Afrina, Faim Ahmad. Okay, now what to do? It is given face value of 7. Acha, face value means its place value of 7. Place value means its place. It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So place value of 7 will be what? 700 na? And face value of 9 means what? Only 9, the digit itself. Now 7, 9 is 63. These 2 0 we have to put. So is it true or false? It is true. Do it first. Now I'll check. Acha. On Monday, I'll check today's classwork. Huh? I am not going to check all the classwork today. Okay, on Monday, I'll check today's classwork. Is it clear? Okay. Ankita, done?